Welcome to Immature Designer. Today we will be talking about the websites from where you can get interesting colors, their numbers, the hexagon numbers, and get the idea about your design palettes, which would be very helpful in your UI design. So let's go forward with it. The first interesting website is Material Design Color Palette. It is very important when you're designing, like when you're collaborating with developers. So when you go on this particular website, there are three options over here. Just jump into this colors option. So when you click on a particular color, they will show you the different shades of that color with the hashtag and also the number, which is 200 So basically these are the colors which you can use while coding. So while coding, if you write orange and then in orange if you write A700, then you will get this particular color. So it's very important when you are doing your user interface design or coding. So basically the front end coding, it's very helpful in that. You can easily tell your developer that it's A200 and not A100. It would be very easy for the developers to get the correct color from backend coding, right? So that's that. As a designer, this second website is very interesting. So basically in this website, when you land into this particular website, it's called coolers. So when you click on spacebar like this, the color palette changes. Whenever you click a spacebar, the color palette keeps on changing. So it's a very interesting thing, like yeah, but you cannot go back to a particular this is how. Okay, so you can actually I also found this right now. You can actually go back to the your palettes which you discovered. Otherwise you can just keep on pressing spacebar and they will generate palettes for you whichever you like. You can just copy the colors from over here. You can copy the colors, you can lock a particular color and then press spacebar, so this particular color stays. And you can do like these various things. You can also add one extra color. So if you want 5 colors, or if you do not want a particular color, you just want 3 colors, so you can just cross it. So basically you can explore all these different options. And you can also over here from create palette from a photo. So basically you can upload a photo and from there they will create a palette for you. This particular website is extremely interesting and very helpful, so just check it out. The third website I'm talking about is this one. It's also a very interesting website. So whenever you're playing with colors and you are, you're not sure about which shade or tone you want to go forward with, because a slight change in color plays a very important role. So basically when you go over here, you'll click over here and then you can first of all choose the master color. Okay, choosing the master color like this. Okay, right, this one. And then you can select from here if you want to change shades, tones and tints. When you go on shades, it will mix black with the color, right, in this way. So if you say 19 or 13, so they will give 13 shades of this color going dark and darker, so mixing black in it. And when you go on tones, it will mix white in it, so basically something like this. So the difference over here is very light, but when you go for the difference, you see the difference, it's very stronger. And then there's also tint. So this is how tints work. It's very slight change, but it looks very pretty. So like you can go, if you can just experiment with these colors, right? So this particular website is very interesting when you are doing your user interface design and you are not sure that if you should go with this color or a lighter version of it. So basically you can actually play with your design and finally get the final color from over there. So just also there are various other tools in this particular website. Just you can just go and check it out and use them according to your needs. So basically these were the 3 websites I really wanted to share with you guys, because it's very important and like not important, but also very interesting and helpful websites which would actually help you with your design. Also, if you know any interesting website around UI design, just write that in the comment section.